Meet a new breakthrough application which allows you to schedule and monitor security guard services, technical inspection, and other rounds management services. Available from any device at any time, anywhere in the world, patrols do not require a permanent internet connection. Easy to use. All you need is a smartphone and tags placed on the route. No limits on the number of users or checkpoints. The application allows to schedule and monitor patrols easily. Create individual tours. Set time limits and priority levels for the tags. Leave text messages, report incidents, and save images captured when performing patrols. Track shift tasks with checklists. Monitor the state of the equipment. Draw reports and analytics on the patrols. Applicable to any business which needs to carry out patrols and maintain large premises. Learn more at TARGPatrol.com.